boom, crack, boom, 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 crack, 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 boom, 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 crack, crack, boom, 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 crack, 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 boom, grand finale. Oh, happy 4th of July. Nothing says freedom like, yeah, nothing says freedom like that. Alright, so back out here. Happy 4th of July. Whew. Thinking about where I am, where I want to start today. I've got everything laid out up there, ready to go. I got the O2, distributors, injectors, brake, oil pressure, power steering, all that, alternator, run back here. Looking pretty good. Anything in heavy blue here I've gotten finished. So today what I want to tackle is this guy. Get all of these wires laid out and ready to go. Already figured out my map sensor colors. Up next I'm going to figure out my TPS sensor colors. Or wire colors, not sensor colors, obviously. And go from there. So, yeah, off to the races. It's my throttle body sensor harness, sub harness. 4th of July! Alright, got the map wire laid out. Those 3 sensors. Just kind of putting the ECU there for visual reference, not really length reference, but alright, map sensor done. Alright, now there I'm done. Got the idle air control, map sensor, the engine coolant temp sensor, and the throttle position sensor. Now I'm going to do the oil pressure back. I don't think I'm going to do the purge control solenoid. I probably won't. I did the canister delete pretty much the second I got it. Wish I got the oil pressure switch here. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep thinking about where I am next. But again, lots of extra wire here. It's better to have too much, not enough. So yeah, I guess on to the next thing on the list. They've got TPS map, idle air control. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out what's going on and then I'll get back. Alright, purge cutoff solenoid and idle air control valve. Got those guys lined up and strung back. Extra wire. I used a brown wire that had a split in it. It was previously used in a ground in the 94 Civic. So I just reutilized the factory split. Added a little chunk on right here, which is the remainder piece. So quite a bit going on there too. Alright, looking at my list here, got these guys done. That's what I just did. So now I've got injectors, alternators, power steering. I got the brake switch, oil pressure, PCS, idle air, top, throttle position, air intake. I got the map, O2, top dead, center, igniter. So now to finish off this one, you need to add the VTEC, the speed sensor, the starter, the thermostat, the reverse lights. Yeah, so I need to figure out how I'm going to ground this guy. I'm going to add the grounds in. I need to figure out what I need to add to the grounds in order to do that. I might do that last. I'll just wire up the thermostat, starter, the VTEC, and the VSS. Not sure if I want to throw the horn on there. I might throw the horn on there. Probably. We'll see. Alright, well I think I'm going to give up for the day. It's already been 4.5 hours down here. I got quite a bit done. Pretty much basically where I just left. I just spent like 45 minutes looking at manuals and stuff, trying to figure out where I want to go next. I don't know. I got some ideas, but for right now it's a good start. Great start. Got all this done, so that's good. I'm having trouble figuring out what I want to run where, so I think I'm just going to stop if I'm thinking about it too much, second guessing myself and wondering and whatnot. So I think I'm just going to take a break, go enjoy my 4th of July, and contemplate what to do now. with that good funness. Dun 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 dun. Alright, happy 4th.